Hello everyone. I hope you are all safe with your family members, following all instructions and guidelines issued by government and health authorities regarding COVID-19 and lockdown. Children, today we are going to discuss the topic management as a science from chapter number 1, that is nature and significance of management. In this topic, we have learned the meaning of management, features of management, importance of management, objectives of management, and functions of management. Now we are going to discuss the nature of management or management as a science. Children, as you know, some author regard management as a science because there are well tested and experimented principles of management. To conclude whether management is science or not, we must understand the features and meaning of science and compare them with management meaning and features. So, first of all, we should know the meaning of science. Science can be defined as a systematic and organized body of knowledge based on logically observed findings, facts, and events. Science comprises of exact principles which can be verified, and it can establish cause and effect relations. There are some features of science. We will discuss one by one. First feature of science is systematic body of knowledge. Second feature is principles based on observation and experimentation. And third feature of science is universal validity. Let's see how far management fulfills these requirements. First feature is systematic body of knowledge. In science, organized and systematic study material is available which is used to acquire the knowledge of science. Like science in management also, there is availability of systematic and organized study material. So first feature of science is present in management. As per the feature of science, we can say that management is a science because this feature of science is present in the management. Second feature of science is principles are based on experimentation. Scientific principles are developed through observations and then tested through repeated experiments. The management principles are also developed through observation and experiments. But since management deal with human being and human behavior cannot be accurately predicted, so management can be called as inexact science. So this feature of science is partially present in the management. Third feature of science is universal validity. Scientific principles have universal application and validity. Management principles are not exact like scientific principles, so their application and use is not universal. They have to be modified according to the given situation or according to the requirement or need of the organization. So, this feature of science is not present in management. Now, on comparing the features of science with management, we find that one feature of science is present in management, whereas two are not present in management. So, management cannot be considered pure or exact science, but we can call it as an inexact science or social science. I hope all points are clear. Thank you. Take care.